James Hardie Siding does a fantastic job of increasing your home value. One of the things we make sure when we talk to our clients is, hey, this is an investment we want you to only have to make one time in your life. You know, whether you're gonna live in that house for 30 years and really enjoy the performance and durability of the Hardie, or you're thinking about selling it in the next couple years, because we don't know what the future holds and people do move. So with Hardie having an average of a 76% return on your investment, that's a really solid ROI for an exterior remodel project. The other nice thing about Hardie products is it's a fully transferable warranty. It's 30 years non-prorated from the day that it goes on the house. So in 15 years, if you go to sell the house, that warranty transfers to the next homeowners for the remaining 15 years at full coverage. So I think Hardie is a great choice for your home, whether you're gonna live there for the next 30 years or you plan on selling in the next 3 to 5 to try to get that maximum return on your investment.